Okay, so as review, Photometrics 1 and Photometrics 2 have distinct differences, and what you're trying to achieve is to figure out one part of the triangulation. Okay, so the constant in both of these is that we kept the same height of what that electric is, 23 feet 8 inches to the image plane on both of these. So that's a constant. In the first Photometrics 1, we knew the as the crow flies horizontal distance from the acting area to the light, and we were trying to solve for the yellow here, which is what degree that makes this existing light. Okay, in Photometrics 2, we're trying to figure out where we would want to put a light if we were just going to hang a light, and so we know what the degree angle is because we're choosing what degree angle we want to be hitting a person. And what we're solving for is then how far away that light has to be in order to achieve that angle at this height. Okay, so that's the big difference between Photometrics 1 and Photometrics 2. And the reason why I started with Photometrics 1 was so that you could start with an already existing light that I could show you within the space, and then you could figure out exactly what that light beam size would be when we turned it on. Very much easier to visualize than just starting with a random light that you may not be able to understand necessarily. So today, right now, I'm going to talk about the process of actually figuring out what size the light is going to be at head height. So once again, we have a head height. And we've got a person standing on the ground. And so what we want to do is we want to have a beam of light, and we want to slice through that beam of light at head height. So how do we do that? Let's start with Photometrics 2, since I've spent the least amount of time with that. And let's create